and welcome to Pay the Pool Man. Today we're going to walk through chemical auto charging. First thing we'll do is click settings and we'll make sure this chemical charging option is toggled on. From there we'll head on over to the customer dashboard to confirm that they do have chemical auto charging. So let's click edit and we can see that this is turned on, so we are good to go. Let's save those changes. And let's head over to Plus. So here on the Plus control panel, we will select chemical charging and we see all of our chemicals that are listed in the Plus app here. These chemicals cannot be added to, so you cannot add your own chemical and you cannot change the name of the chemical here because they're directly related to Plus. But if you do have additional chemicals, you can insert them as income items and add them at the end of your service. So we see here that all of these items are 0. This is going to be the default. So in order to change this, we'll click edit and we'll add in the amount we want to charge. So once we have the amount, we'll click save and we see that update here. This price is what's going to be directly brought into your billing each month. So we'll make sure we have prices here so that they can be billed correctly. So let's see, let's go ahead and add price to these and save, and we're good to go. All right, so one thing to keep in mind here is that you can't change the income item, but we do recommend keeping it the same name so you're not confused when you do run a bill at the end of the month, because this income item name is what's going to populate onto that bill. So we'll click save and we'll go back home. Let's generate a billing cycle so that we can see what is being charged to the customer. So we will just go ahead and select all of our options for our weekly, per stop, and information. We're going to go back starting June 14th and we want to go to July 12th to make sure we grab all of our chemicals we've used. All right, so let's run billing and we'll take a look, see what this customer is charged. So we can see this customer has chlorine tabs. We can see the price of 3 that we entered and the quantity of 2. Chlorine shows up with a quantity listed because they are in tabs and that will populate correctly. So we can see here it gives us the stop when we drop this quantity of tabs. We can also see here that we've added shock and there's a $0 price per pound, so nothing is entered here. So that's something to keep in mind. This is what it's going to look like if you don't have a price entered, and this is what it's going to look like if you do. So just make sure your chemicals are double checked so you can make sure you're billing customers correctly. And that is how chemical auto charging works with Pay the Pool Man. Okay, thank you.